Hi. So today I'll be showing the cutting and stitching of this dress. Come on, let's go. So I'll be showing it on a paper. So take the fabric in this pattern and double fold it for the front and back. This is the front neck. So it's an A-line dress pattern. So take 1 inch extra from the shoulder to the hip. So 3 inches away, take a marking like this. So this is the place where you have to attach the loops. So we have to attach 4 loops. So let's do the neck marking. So front and back. So we have to attach this side pieces here. For the front panel, we have to attach the loops. So let's attach the loops on the front panel. So have taken 2 inches of gap for each loop. So we have to repeat the same procedure for both front and back, both the sides. So let's attach the side panel. Margin stitch. Repeat the same procedure. So both front and back, same method. So now let's make the neck design. So not using any fusing paper here, just plain fabric. So the front neck is ready. So before attaching the front and back, let's do the finishing work. So for the back neck, we'll do a simple piping. Just give a little small trims so that the curve will be perfect. So let's do the front and back attaching. This is a very simple top. So now let's make sleeves. So we are using pleated sleeves here. There is also a pleated sleeve pattern on the channel. You can also check that. So we are doing pleated both the sides. So both are inward towards the center. This creates a lot of puffiness on the sleeves. So attaching a tape here. So you can also use a border. So the tutorial is already available where you can also attach a border for the tape. So here we are doing a plain one. So let's make both of them. So the final sleeve attaching. The dress is very simple, but yes, it came out very beautiful. So let's close it completely. I hope this tutorial is helpful, and uh, do let us know through comments. And if you like our video, do like and share and subscribe to my channel, Good Tailor. So at the end, okay, this is not the end of the video. So yes, I'll be showing exactly how this dress has turned out. So wait. So now we are finishing the hem. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe Good Tailor for more sewing tutorials, sewing tips, and dress designing. So we have many more tutorials coming up, complete tutorials and also sewing tips. So the dress is ready. So we have to attach the loops in crosswise. Yes. So we have not left the ends just like that. Uh, Making a tassel, a latkan for both the ends with the same fabric to match the dress. Yes, it's ready. And this is me trying it out. Yes, it gives a perfect fit. So I haven't made a long one but a short kurti. So you can make it long, short. And thank you for watching my video. And like and subscribe Good Tailor. Thank you.